Amanda. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thanks for taking some time every day to hang out with me. Today's video I'm super excited because we are celebrating the anniversary of the UneekSquad. I'm so happy to be part of this amazing squad. Each member of the squad means so much to me. I was very shocked and honored that Patrice thought of me to be the final member of the squad. I am the newest and last member that will be added. I've had the pleasure of meeting her in person a couple episodes back of It's a Podcast. She guest starred on it. It was a lot of fun, and we are definitely in the process of planning some more in-person stuff along with our fellow North Carolinian, the Brutally Honest Beauty, which you guys know we have done multiple collabs together. And you guys have definitely heard me talk about Jackie Naturals. She was one of my first few friends here on YouTube. And then Tony's Unboxings. She's the newest member to me to become a friend. She's so sweet, supportive, hilarious. It has been a lot of fun getting to know her. The squad has been so amazing and supportive. I am definitely blessed to be a part of it. Thank you again, Patrice, for inviting me to it. We're going to be celebrating doing Mandalorian looks. I believe the other girls are going to be using the child palette. I actually collabed with Darissa, ironically, using that palette, and I wanted to do a little bit different spin. Maybe it's because I'm the last member added, but I figured it would be a lot of fun to transform into the child. I decided to buy a new paint palette. Finally found it specifically for this video. I meant to have it for my Lucky Charms video. Could not find it. Here it is. It's by YODA, and then I have some green palettes off to the side to give Baby Yoda a little bit more definition. Jesus, take the wheel. We'll see how this look goes over. I will leave my collabs playlist link to watch previous collabs, and if you're visiting from any of their channels, welcome. Thank you so much for checking me out. I hope you subscribe and give this video a like before you leave. I went on ahead, primed, and put some foundation on my face. I did not set the foundation, if that's why it's looking a little cakey, a little out of control. Plus, I have a really bad cystic pimple going on right now, but the mighty patches have been coming through. It's not like an overnight process with it, especially a cystic, because it even claims works better with whiteheads, but it definitely has significantly reduced the size, the throbbing, the pain of the pimple, so I'm super happy about that. Once it fully goes away, I'll probably switch to an acne scarring one because I was eventually able to pop it, and yeah, there's a little bit of redness and scarring going on, so yeah, literally going to be taking this shade right here, putting it all over the face. At first I was thinking of the lime green, but I think this one a little bit more YODA species color-ish. A lot better than eyeshadow. But eyeshadow was a really good lesson to learn how to do these looks. The only thing is that it's really hard to get into this brush to get a lot, so we're gonna be here a while building up, turning green. And I need like green setting powder for this. And if you have used any paint palettes, definitely let me know in the comments below which ones have been your favorite. I've just been getting these off of Amazon. I think Beauty Bay has one that I really want to get. They're super expensive. I haven't tried the Rare before. I believe it starts with an M, if I'm not mistaken. Arms are definitely getting a workout because I just bought kayaks and we went kayaking this past weekend. It's hurting my arm doing this repetitive motion. Looking sexy for sure. You're gonna be utilizing the black and the brown to define the eyes. final look. Nailed it. Not really impressed by this paint palette. Definitely think it's going to be one of those things where that one that I really want to buy off of Beauty Bay is just going to be one of those good investments, because I think between the paint consistency and then my oily eyelids, which I'm a dry skin girl, but my eyelids get super oily, so it kind of messed up on the eyes. They're creasing and running a little bit when I was trying to do the eye detail. I even tried setting it with some powder from the Carnival palettes as well as the Lunar Beauty Life's a Drag, and it still seems to be running just a little bit, but it was a lot of fun to create this look. I've definitely been wanting to do characters like this. It is super difficult, super hard. Definitely when you do it on your face, it's going to be a lot different how than you create it in Procreate, for instance, or freehand it on a sketch pad. I was like, should I even go through with this footage? But it was just a lot of fun. I love the Mandalorian. I love the UneekSquad. I think it was just a great theme to do. As I mentioned, I previously already highlighted that palette as well, and I haven't used it since because I don't want to go to waste. At first, I really didn't want to touch the palette, but it was a lot of fun to collab with Darissa, and it was just a really good color story. Everything was so pigmented, blended out super well. So this was just a fun, different take of look that I want to do for this collab. I would love to know if you guys watched The Mandalorian. I know I'm ready for season 3. What is your favorite Star Wars movie? I would love to know in the comments below. Don't forget to check out the lovely ladies of the UneekSquad. Their videos will be linked in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.